It looks delicious. Hello guys. Today I'm making roasted chicken and roasted potato for lunch. This is the chicken. I've finished cleaning the chicken. I'm cutting some parts so that the spice I will put can penetrate in the chicken. Season it now. I've put all the sauce together. There's curry, pepper, onions, garlic, salt, Maggi, and what again? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna add butter. So I mix all together. Chicken, spice. I've finished spicing the chicken. I'll leave it for 7 minutes before putting it in the air fryer. I'm putting the potato now in the pan. So what I did, I just apply a little butter on the potato. I'm putting it now. I'm finished roasting the potato in the. Oh, I'm happy with that. I've finished roasting the chicken in and out. Chicken, that's very lovely. I'm finished to bake the vegetable. See how it is? Guys, the food is ready. I make roasted chicken and roasted potato, garnished with veg.